Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of stock trading. If you're new to all this and feeling a bit lost, don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you, like we're chatting over coffee. 1. What is stock trading? So let's start at the beginning. What exactly is stock trading? In simple terms, when you buy a stock, you're purchasing a tiny piece of a company. Picture it like owning a slice of pizza. When the company does well, the value of your slice or stock increases, and if it doesn't, well, your slice might lose some toppings. 2. Why trade stocks? Now, why would you want to trade stocks? There are a few reasons. For one, it can be a way to grow your money over time. Historically, stocks have outperformed some other types of investments. Plus, it can be kind of exciting, watching the market move, feeling that rush when you make a smart move, or learning to navigate challenges. 3. Getting started. Okay, so you're interested. Here's how to get started. 1. Educate yourself. Before you dive in, take some time to learn. Read books, watch videos, or listen to podcasts about stock trading. There's a ton of info out there, and getting a solid grasp of the basics is crucial. 2. Choose a brokerage. Next, you'll need to find a brokerage. This is the platform where you'll buy and sell your stocks. There are lots of options. Some are really user-friendly for beginners. Look for one that has low fees and a good mobile app if you think you'll want to trade on the go. 3. Start small. Now, when you're ready to start trading, I'd recommend starting with a small amount of money. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before you jump in. This way, you can learn without risking too much right away. 4. Practice with a demo account. Many brokerages offer demo accounts where you can practice trading without using real money. It's a great way to get familiar with the platform and test different strategies without the stress. Learn to analyze the market. As you get comfortable, you'll want to learn to analyze the market. There are two main approaches here: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is all about looking at a company's financial health. This might mean checking out earnings reports, understanding their business model, or evaluating their competitors. Technical analysis focuses more on price movements and charts. You'll learn to read patterns and trends, which can help you make decisions about when to buy or sell. 5. Create a strategy. Speaking of decisions, it's crucial to create a trading strategy. This serves as your game plan. Are you in it for the long haul or looking for quicker gains? This will shape how you buy and sell. Just remember, it's important to stick to your plan even when emotions run high. 6. Stay informed. Keep in mind, the stock market is always changing, so staying informed is key. Follow financial news, join forums, or even connect with other traders. Sharing insights and experiences can really help you grow. 7. Managing risk. Finally, let's talk about managing risk. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but it's smart to set limits. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect your investments. This way, if a stock drops to a certain price, it automatically sells, so you don't lose everything. To wrap up, starting to trade stocks might seem daunting at first, but once you break it down, it's pretty manageable. Educate yourself, start small, practice, and develop a solid strategy. And remember, every investor starts somewhere. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Also, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. I love discussing this stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy trading.